Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, we're going to be doing a whole video using the Yeri and Beauty Creations collection. I also did include a bunch of other SHEGLAM products so we can use those. We have some Beauty Creations lashes going on, but we did a cute like girly kind of look today. So if you want to see all these products in action on my face, what I loved, what I hated, just keep on watching. Okay, so I don't think I've showed you guys my water bottle. This is actually from Spencer's. How cute is this, girl? It is so cute. I could not pass up on this. I have a couple of ice cubes in there with water because it's so hot in here. And I did choose to wear a sweatshirt from Shop Miss A. I also have my Barbie necklace that you guys saw my Barbie haul. It's going to be linked down below if you didn't. And it's so heavy. Oh my god, but it's so cute. Also, pink headband is from Dollar Tree. If you guys saw my haul, we're doing a lot of hauls. So let's get into it. Let's talk about what came in this little package. So if you guys, I have so many videos. I also filmed a haul video where I showed you guys all of the products from the Yeri Beauty Creations collaboration. But I didn't show you guys like the extra stuff, I think. I don't remember. But they did come with this keychain here, which is so cute. Can't wait to put it on my keys. It also came with some stickers. I love that they do that with their collections. And especially these are so adorable. And look at that. Just an up close look at these stickers that come in here. I did end up buying the bundle, not the PR box. The PR box looks like so, but I just went ahead and picked up the bundle with everything included except for the PR box, which I'm totally okay with. And then we get this card, which just gives you the description. She gives you a little bit of a paragraph describing what it means to her. And then there is a look at the card. It is so cute. I love that it's pink. I actually might keep this somewhere in my background. And these stickers as well are so cute. First we get this product, which is some of her favorite lip tint colors. We get 2 lip tints and a gloss in here, which looks like that, which we are going to go in with first. So let me go ahead and get in here. There's a look at this bundle. Look at how cute this display is. It's just so adorable. First off, we get the Cheekies lip tint. I keep thinking lip oil, but no, it's a lip tint. And again, Cheekies, I did go ahead and swatch them the other day and they're actually really nice. There's a look at the first color. I'm going to go in with one of these right now. I have the Fresita lip tint as well. And I think this one's more like a purpley. Oh yeah, this one's cute. Like a purpley moment. So I think that's what I'm going to apply it right now. Before we go in with brows and everything. And so it is going to tint my lips. I am going to try to stay in my lip line. Alright, we're going to leave that on for a little bit. Yes, this is a gloss. That's what I'm guessing. Just like a clear moment. It is so pretty. I think I might take a little bit of this over top. Let's see how it looks. Oh, this is like a thick kind of gloss. Cute. So if you wanted to wear it on its own with a little bit of a gloss over top. Cute. Next, I'm going to go ahead and take my SHEGLAM Brows on Demand 2-in-1 brow pencil in the shade Chocolate. And I'm just going to go ahead and do my brows real quick. You guys have seen this. You guys know the drill. I did actually do my own brows yesterday. Just kind of plucked. I kind of trimmed, you know. So they're like ready to go. Next, taking the brow pen side, I'm going to go ahead and create some brow strokes. Brows are looking good. Lips are looking really good. Let me know if you use lip tint in your everyday life. I honestly never been into these, but girl, they look really pretty. So maybe if I do like a lip liner and some of this over top, that'd be so cute. I think we're just gonna go in with complexion first. So let me go ahead and wipe this off. Okay, give us a little baby tint. I'm sure if you leave it on for longer, it'll get like really pink. So first off, I'm going to take my Caviar primer from Temu. Just looks like so. I've mentioned this so many times on my channel. I'm going to go ahead and do a couple pumps. This is just meant to give me some hydration to my skin. Really nice and simple primer. We're going to do another like pore filling primer on the inner portions of the face. But you guys know the drill. I love me a good hydrating primer on the outer portions of my face. And if you didn't know, I do have oily skin, so you still need the hydration. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this product here. This is the SHEGLAM Birthday Skin Primer. It is also included in my project pan, girl, I haven't done one of those in a long time. in my Shop My Stash. So I am using the e.l.f. brush to kind of apply this on the face. Just kind of scoop it up from here. I saw Jessica Braun do this, I believe, or someone did it. And I was like, oh, literally own that brush. I need to use it. So I'm just going to use my other brush to blend it in. This is just the AOA Studio brush. I love these. They have like very interesting cuts to them. Like this one is just perfect for primer. I love it. This one is the AOA Studio High Definition Brush in F8. So again, just keeping that pore filling one in the center of the face, like the T-zone area. That is where I get the most oily. It's just gonna give me a little bit of mattification as well, but not make me look super flat. All right, girl, we're moving on. We're going on to foundation. We have the SHEGLAM Complexion Pro Long Lasting Breathable Matte Foundation in the shade Honey. You guys know I love this. Such a beautiful foundation, especially if you have oily skin. It's just like a matte kind of finish to it, but it's also full coverage. So this is so good. They also do have the luminous one, and they also do have the Skinfluencer one. They have a pressed powder foundation, which I actually do have right here. We're going to be using this later. So they have a lot of options, girl, and they're so good. So I'm just going to start blending this into my skin. So full coverage. And speaking of full coverage, I did end up buying the full coverage and Laura Lee collaboration. So yeah, I'm gonna do a video with that soon as well. So I do have a couple of cream products. I don't know, nowadays I'm feeling very like almost lazy, I think is a word, to use my cream products. I don't know what it is. I'm kind of like kind of hesitant about it. So I think we're gonna skip out on creams today, but they're just from SHEGLAM and they're really nice, but I don't know, I'm not feeling that vibe to put so much makeup on today, even though we have a very high coverage foundation, girl. Just want to like get to the good stuff, you know, the new stuff. We're taking my SHEGLAM concealer, and this one here is in the shade Coconut Flakes. Such a good concealer, girl. I love this. So I'm just gonna take it on the under eyes, on the bridge of the nose, on the forehead, and the chin. Before that starts to crease, I'm going to take my two SHEGLAM powders. We have this Velvet Veil Oil Control Powder in the shade Warm Sand. I love to use this to set my under eyes. Literally do this all the time. Love it. So I'm just going to set that before it starts to crease. Also setting just the T-zone area with this product. And you see, it just makes your under eyes look so perfect and set and almost velvet. No wonder it's called Velvet Veil, like velvety and soft. So pretty. We're also going to take this product, which is what I talked about earlier. We have the Skin Focus High Coverage Powder Foundation. I use mine in the shade Honey, the same color as the foundation. Just taking that on my powder brush. And I like to take this all over like the outer portions on the forehead. Just gives you the coverage and just kind of like smooths over the face. So as you can see, I stuck to very much SHEGLAM products, I think, because it was just easy to pull from my Shop My Stash. So yeah, and also I love their products. I also did do a, I think it was like top 10 favorite SHEGLAM products on my channel. So that video is up already. I'm gonna have it linked down below. But I also do have these two products from SHEGLAM, and we also do have a blush from the actual palette. So I'm just gonna apply my highlight and bronzer first. First off, you have their Sunside bronzer in the shade Sunset Walk. I'm just gonna take that and just kind of sculpt out the face. I'm tapping because my room is so hot. I don't want my foundation to kind of like rub off. We're just gonna tap this in. We're just gonna go straight into the palette. So this is a Yerimua Beauty Creations collab palette. You guys saw this in my haul video. Super cute. This is how that palette looks. There's a look at the inside. We're gonna go ahead and take one of the blushes. I'm thinking the shade Sagittarius, and I'm just gonna use this as a blush. That is so pretty. There you go. So this is looking a little crazy, but look at how beautiful that color is from the palette. I'm just taking my powder brush and we're just gonna kind of tone this down. All right, next taking the other product from SHEGLAM. This is called their Moonside Highlighter in the shade Moon Rose. Such a beautiful highlight. I'm telling you, the bronzer and the highlight, stunning. I hope they come out with a blush formula in the same like packaging. so cute. So this is a product I'm not going to get into today. Sorry about it, but I don't feel like using glitter today. But this collection also did come with the Secret Fantasy glitter set. So I'll show you guys when I'm close at these, but again, I'm not going to use them. Just not feeling it today, so I'm not going to force myself. But it does come with an adhesive, some glitters. We have a pink one, we have a white, and a dark purple one. These are so cute. Oh, this is adorable. And I wish you guys could see all the like reflex this has. They're basically just very chunky glitters. That one is so cute. And they also do have their own, no, they don't have their own names. This one says 2811. What is this? Oh yeah, this one's called Drama. And then we have this one in Envy. And it does come with a hold on glitter glue, which I'm sure would work great. But we're not going to get into this today. So next we also have one of their lip sets. So this is a Beauty Creations Bad Bee Lip Duo. So if you guys saw my Get Ready With Me on my Instagram, I actually did use this. And I didn't love the color on my lips. So this comes with a gloss and a lip liner. I'm going to go ahead and swatch. I really should have looked at everything, but I just wanted everything from the collection. But this lip liner, I don't know, it's not dark enough for me. Something more like this, like a dark brown kind of vibe, and this is just too light for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my Ebony York lip liner. I like to kind of like shade in the outer portions of the lip. I am taking a bullet lipstick from the Murillo, I think that's her name, Twins collection with Beauty Creations. This is so good. This one here is in Brie Brie. Such a good lipstick. I still have it. I'm just gonna take that right here, just like tap it into the lips. And that just gives like the most beautiful ombre kind of moment. This set also did come with a gloss, which I can definitely use. Let's see how it looks. This one looks like so, in the shade Morena. Let's see how it swatches. Yeah, that's really cute. It is gonna take over the lip. Let's see, let's do a little bit. Cute. I could even do the lip gloss with the lip liner on its own. I just went ahead and applied some of this gel liner from Away Studio, and this one's just the one in black. Get straight into eyeshadow, girl. I've been avoiding it because I don't know what I want to do with my eyes, but it is time to use it. I have used it once before on my Instagram, as you guys know. It's also here on Shorts as well, so I will have that video linked down below if you want to watch. But basically I did a very like everyday look using this palette, and it was really nice and easy to use. So today I am going to use the pinks in this palette. There's a look at the colors in there. Super cute. Again, it does come with a highlight and blush, another highlight and blush. This is so cute. I'm not going to swatch it because I'm sure you can find swatches all over the internet right now, so you don't really need me to swatch them. But yeah, stunning. I'm going to go ahead and start. I'm for sure going to go in with this shade here, bubblegum pink right here. And that pink, just gonna use that as a transition. Ooh, you could actually see it on the lid and on my skin tone. Okay, girl. See, sweat on my nose, girl. That's what that is. It's also giving me some breakage, which I am gonna fix a little later. I take the shade Brat, and I'm just gonna start building up this outer corner. Going back with that bubble gum, I'm just gonna start blending this out. And funny enough, I've never really raved about Beauty Creations formula. They usually are very hit or miss for me specifically. And what I've noticed, like some palettes are really good, others are not good. But this one's actually really nice. One of their better formulas. You see, the way that I know is when the dark pink is still there, even though I'm blending, it doesn't completely disappear. Love that. I'm gonna take the shade Turbio, which is just a darker pink, and just once again just deepening out this outer corner. It's just like one shade deeper than the Brat shade. I'm gonna take the shade Hamas, which is just their dark brown in this palette, and I'm gonna go ahead and smoke out that lower lash line using that shade. So we can tie in that brown with the lips. Next, I'm going to go ahead and take the shade Guanga, and I'm going to take that on my finger. It's so pretty. Throw that on the lid. Oh my goodness. Super foiled. Girl, this shade. It is not your typical shimmer shade. Now that I'm here, I'm just going to fix my brows. I'm taking my SHEGLAM Striking Brow Gel in the shade Chocolate over top. I'm going to take my AOA Studio Beauty Wing Stamp. Comes with a stamp and a liner side. Went ahead and stamped. Now I'm going to take the other side, which looks like so, and just wing it out. Alright, this wing is very much large and in charge today. It's okay. Taking just a little bit of the AOA Studio Eyes on Me Vivid Liquid Liner in the shade Lovebirds. Love this color. And I'm just going to take this over top of that liquid liner. It just adds a little more of that pink to the look. For mascara, I'm going to go ahead and take my SHEGLAM Max Impact Easy Off Mascara. Is that what it's called? Yes. And it's just their pink tube. Love this one. Just quickly coating the lashes. For lashes, I'm going to go ahead and take these Beauty Creations 3D Mink Lashes in the shade Slay. In the style Slay. These are stunning. So I'm going to go ahead and just coat these in lash serum. What? Lash glue while we spray our face. I've actually been into that, like actually coating the lashes before throwing them on. Which before I used to like coat, throw it on, coat the other one, and then throw it on. But today, coat the lashes and let them set. Just a little bit. I like using my AOA Studio lash glue, which I will be mentioning right now. I do have a Chamase haul right next to me, which I am going to be filming right after this, so I love this one. Then we coated the lashes. I'm going to go ahead and spray my face using the Yerimua Beauty Creations Unique Setting Spray, and I have to say this smells amazing. It literally smells like perfume. So if you're not into like scented kind of products, or when your products have a fragrance, I don't know if you're going to enjoy this, but look at the packaging, girl. It's stunning and I love it. I love the smell. I love everything about it. So I'm gonna go ahead and coat my face in this. Oh, it smells so good. Taking my fan and just drying this. Alright guys, so this is the final look. Let me know your thoughts down below. But let's get into the new products that we use today. Starting off with the setting spray. I love the setting spray. It smells amazing, but that's just my personal preference. Like I said, there are people that don't love fragrance in their products, so I don't think you would love this if that is who you are. But for me, I love scented products. They don't irritate my skin, so I love them, and this one smells amazing. So if you're into fragrance, this almost smells like a girly kind of body spray. So if you love that, girl, try it out. Next we have the lip tints. These are actually really cute, and I find myself really being attracted to that lip tint trend, like trying it out. So I think these are maybe in my rotation, who knows, but yeah, I'm very much intrigued by these lip tints. They're really cute. They come in two different colors. You guys saw when I swatched them earlier. The gloss is a really nice addition. It is pretty thick, so this one would be a little gloppy if you overdo it on your lips. But yeah, I mean, I only had it on for a little while, so I can't really tell you like a full on anything on these two, but they were cute and I really enjoyed these. If I can go back and like tell myself, hey, don't buy this, I would opt out of getting the glitters. It's just, they're cute, they're just very chunky, and I find myself not reaching for chunky kind of glitters for me specifically. I know a lot of people are very creative and they know how to use them, but for me this time I'm just like not really into these. So yeah. Also the lip duo, I love the gloss. It's really cute. It's definitely my vibe, but the lip liner is just a little too light for me. So maybe I can use my dark brown lip liner and then this like in the center. So I'll definitely like find ways of using it, but I don't know. If I could go back, I would definitely opt out of this and the glitters. The palette, however, would be my first thing to throw in my cart. The actual like formula did not disappoint. Really pretty. Love the color story in here. Love what she did with this whole collection. So definitely a 10 out of 10 for me was this palette. And it also does include highlights and blushes. And that pink blush, girl, it looks stunning. Stunning. Love it. So I really much enjoyed this. So that was it. That was the last product. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.